Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, July 29th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So I'm zoomed out a long ways on the 1 hour time frame because I wanted to illustrate that this could be a wave A still, this could be a wave B, and this could be a wave C. This is the structure level from the daily time frame. So if it rejects this structure, goes up, gives us a big impulsive engulfing move to the upside and a little bit of a break of structure right there, that would tell me this is likely the end of an ABC and it is actually continuing back up like that. Definitely a possibility. The other possibility is that this really is a wave 5 on the daily, which it looks like it could be. If that's true, this could be a wave 1, this could be a wave 2, and we could be in the middle of a wave 3. If we're in the middle of a wave 3, it could bounce, but it would be a very corrective bounce and it would likely just continue to make those lower lows, lower highs, and continue the downtrend. So I would technically be looking for shorts still, but I would be watching to see if we do get an impulsive engulfing move to the upside and a break of structure. If we don't, then continue to look for shorts because this could stretch out into a big old 1, 2, 3, potentially making a pretty big trend reversal on the daily time frame. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel or my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.